Hi, this is Emilio, and this is how you blur someone's face out with Adobe Premiere Pro. So here in my media browser, I have a clip that I want to blur the subject's face out. Let's just drag and drop this into the timeline. And as we see here is just a clip of someone moving across the screen. But this person doesn't want their face to be shown in the video. So what do? How do you make this person's face blurred with Premiere? Now what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to go to the effects panel at the top of the screen, and it'll give you a list of effects and some other options where you can add the effects required. So what I'm going to do is up in this effects area of the screen on the right, you want to search blur. And under blur, you will see an effect called fast blur. It'll be under the obsolete folder. You're going to want to drag and drop that onto your video clip of the person that you want to blur. Now, nothing will happen yet, but you will see that in the effect controls area of the screen, there will be a bunch of controls that you can do. So you're going to want to go under the fast blur effect, which is down over here. And you'll see these three options to either create an ellipse mask, create a 4-point polygon mask, or free draw Bezier. So for a face, we're just going to use the ellipse mask. Now you'll notice it creates an ellipse in the center of the screen. You can move and position this where you want it to go. So you're going to want to go to the first part of your clip at the beginning, and you're going to want to move this blur, this ellipse, over the person's face as accurately as you can. So here I'm just going to drag the four sides around the person's face. There. Now you'll notice that shows, but nothing's blurred. So what you're going to do is you're going to want to up the blurriness to a level that you find suitable. Well, I think maybe around 40 will be fine. And you'll find the blurriness underneath the mask that you created right here. So you'll notice that if I were to play the clip right now, that the blur wouldn't move, it'll stay in the same spot. So how do we make it track the subject's face? Well, what we'll do is Premiere has this really cool thing where it does it automatically, where it tries to track it forward. So you can try tracking it forward from this right here. And you just press the play button, and it will go through the progress of trying to track the mask around the person as they move. And we'll check back once this is finished. I'm going to go ahead and trim out this last part. So normally, normally what I would do is you could go in and you can manually edit each individual frame. Using the arrow keys, you can go in Premiere frame by frame by frame. But I'm not going to do that. Just to save some time, I'm going to crop out this end part here. And here we go. Now it's a video where it's fully tracking the person's face, and it's even ready to export. Thank you for watching, and have a fantastic rest of your day.